Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome. I'm Suffi. I'm here today with another mathematics tutorial from IGCSE Mathematics 0580. And in this lesson, we are going to learn distance between 2 points. We will learn how we can find the distance between 2 points. The formula that we use to find the distance between 2 points is termed as distance formula. Let's suppose I have a line here. I'm going to draw a line here. And I have the 2 points on this line. Now let's suppose this is point A and this is point B. Now if I'm asked that find the length of this line segment AB, then this distance formula that we are going to learn today will help us to find the length of this line segment. Now we discussed in our previous lessons where we learned the coordinate geometry, the system of axes and coordinate system. If you did not watch that topic till now, so here on the same channel you can see the video about the coordinate axes and coordinate axis system. So we know that any point can be written in the form of if we write a point in the form of the coordinate, so it can be written in the form of x, y. X coordinate is always written first and y coordinate later on. So as I have 2 points, so I will say that the first point has a coordinate x1, y1, and the second point has a coordinate x2, y2. Now the distance formula between them, if I have to find the distance, it will be equal to the magnitude of the line AB. So we write it will be equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now how to remember that? It's very simple, that the later point, whatever the later point you are choosing, as I'm finding the distance from A to B, so the later point is B, so I will take its first coordinate minus the first point first coordinate square plus the later point second coordinate minus the first point first coordinate square. Suppose I have to find BA, I'm measuring the distance from B to A, then mathematically we will write it x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Although the direction in the distance doesn't matter from where we measure the distance, so this is just a convention in mathematics that we are using it in this way, that the later point first coordinate will be written first and the first point coordinate will be written later. So it doesn't affect the final result even if you don't follow this rule, because the distance, if we measure from A to B or from B to A, it will be same between the 2 points. It will not change. Let's take an example here. Suppose I have the point A is having the coordinates 1, 5, and the point B is having the coordinates 2, minus 3. Now to find the distance between A and B, if I want to find the distance AB, so what I will do, I will just say now the later point is B, so its first coordinate, this is my x1, I can say this is x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this one is y2. So if I will just put the values in this formula here, so I will get 2 minus 1 square plus minus 3 minus 5 square. So if I will calculate, I will get it 1 square and plus minus 8 square. So that is going to be 65 square root. So this is how we can find the distance between the 2 points. In our next lesson, we are going to learn how to find the midpoint between 2 points. Thank you.